I am Norm with Molanis. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a moving average strategy for MetaTrader with Molanis Strategy Builder. A moving average strategy uses two moving averages, a short and a long moving average. In our case, we are going to use a 9-period short moving average and an 18-period long moving average. The moving average strategy produces buy and sell signals. Buy when the short period moving average is above the long period moving average, and sell when the long period moving average is above the short period moving average. Let's work with MetaTrader. I am adding two moving averages. The first one with a period of 9, the short period moving average. I am using the default options and choosing yellow for the color of the line. Now I'm going to add the 18-period moving average using the default values and choosing a red color for the line. Let's look at the buy-sell signals. There's a buy signal when the yellow line is above the red line. This means the short period moving average is above the long period moving average. Look at how well the pair is trending up. The direction of the moving average changed, and we get a sell signal since the long period moving average is above the short period moving average. Let's use Molanis Strategy Builder to implement the moving average strategy. First, double-click on the Start icon to set the Expert Advisor main properties. Here, we have General, Trading, and Money Management options. I am changing some values because I have a standard account and want to receive emails when my Expert Advisor buys and sells. I am also activating the Lot Management option. Now, let's drag and drop some technical analysis icons to create the trading conditions. Just double-click on the icon to set its parameters. I am selecting the moving average indicator. Then the pair EuroCAD, and then I type 9 as the period. For the other options, I am leaving the default values. Let's change the comparison option to higher than. And now I am repeating the same procedure, but adding 18 as the period. So far, I have created a trading condition. Now I have to add the execution part with a buy trading icon. I added the buy icon and select the pair EuroCAD. 1 for lot size, 100 pips for take profit, and 50 pips for stop loss. Now I connect the icons, and I have completed half of the strategy. For the other half, I am going to use a shortcut by copying the existing technical analysis icon and just changing the comparison option. Finally, I need to add a sell icon to complete my moving average strategy. And after connecting the trading icons, I'm done. As you can see, creating expert advisors with Molanis Strategy Builder is quick and easy. Now, let's validate the trading diagram. Oh, there's an error. We did not set up the parameters of the sell icon. Let's fix it now using the same values as the buy icon. Now let's validate the diagram again. Perfect, no errors. To finish this tutorial, let's generate the Expert Advisor's code. Just click on Generate MQL4 Code, and the code is generated for you. There is no need for you to write code or learn programming languages. Molanis Strategy Builder codes for you. Now let's see the code in the MetaTrader editor. To test your Expert Advisor, just add it to the MetaTrader terminal. Molanis Strategy Builder created a number of MetaTrader variables for you to backtest and optimize. So here, you could change the Expert Advisor's options without having to edit your trading diagram. For example, I am changing the variable play sounds from true to false to turn off the alarm sound. I am also changing the variable use trading time from false to true to allow trading during a specific period of time only. To recap, with Molanis Strategy Builder, you can create Expert Advisors in minutes without any coding. Try it now at molanis.com.